To change your debit card on Facebook Pay, start by opening the Facebook app on your device and navigating to the Settings menu. Scroll down and select Facebook Pay. Then tap on the Payment Methods option. If you already have a debit card added, tap on the three dots next to it and select Remove to delete the existing card. If you do not see this option, tap on Add New Payment Method to proceed with adding a new debit card. Enter your new debit card information, including the card number, expiration date, and security code. Make sure to double-check the information for accuracy, as incorrect details may lead to issues with your payment. After entering the card details, tap on Add Card to proceed. Facebook may request additional verification, such as a one-time password sent to your phone or email associated with the debit card. Enter this verification code to confirm the addition of your new debit card. Once the new debit card is added, it will be listed as a payment method in your Facebook Pay settings. You can then select this new card as your default payment method for future transactions on Facebook. When adding a new debit card, ensure that it is a valid and active card, and that you have sufficient funds to make payments. Also, be aware of any transaction limits or fees associated with your debit card, as these may affect your Facebook Pay transactions. By following these steps, you can easily change your debit card on Facebook Pay and continue to make secure and convenient transactions on the platform. Remember to always keep your payment information up to date and secure to avoid any issues with your Facebook Pay account.